is Nelly. I hope you guys are doing well. As for me, I'm good. So today I'm going to Guangzhou. I want to visit the city of Guangzhou. For you guys who know China, Guangzhou is like the business center here. It's like Joelle in Cameroon, the economic capital of China. So if you want to do business, you want to get in contact with suppliers, it's good for you to come to Guangzhou. So if you love to visit the city with me, follow me.
So we actually went by train station, and here we had arrived at the train station, and we took the slow train. This is actually my first time of taking a slow train. So Beijing, I live in Beijing, is at the north and Guangzhou is at the south, so the distance is really long and the flight tickets were quite expensive, so we tried the slow train. So this is how the beds are. If you want a hard bed, this is how the beds are, and we had approximately 20 hours to go. So it was a long journey. So this, we were already leaving. This is already at night. We left at 11 and we arrived the next day around 9 or 10. So yeah, we arrived at the hotel we had booked. So this is Guangzhou. This is the room we took. I took this room with a friend. 2 beds, you have your bathroom. So when we just arrived, we just had our shower and we just went to the first mall. So this is the first mall we visited, and as I said, Guangzhou is just like the economic capital of China. Anything you want, you can get it here, and these are their shops. You just have the samples or the little pieces, but they have their warehouse back somewhere else. So these are nails. If you want to start a nail business, you can just come, you just get their contact, you buy so many pieces depending on what you want to do. You have all types of nails, all the designs you want, you can get it from here. The mall was quite beautiful. I like the area. So next we went to where they were wigs shops, all types of wigs, piano hair, blonde, all the colors you want, bone straight, everything, you have it here. And this is just their shop. They have their warehouse, so if you want so many pieces, you can get it, even 1 million pieces, or you can get it from them. And you know, everything depends. If you get 1 piece, the price is different from when you get 1,000 pieces. So it all depends. The more you buy, the lower the price will be. So yeah, these are stuff to arrange wigs. I've forgotten how they call them. So after we went to the clothes side, here you have shirt for men. After we saw some baby clothes. So if you want to start a business where you sell kids clothes, you just come here, you have everything you need. So many pieces, you get them and you go back home, you open your own shop and you start your own business. You can also get for adults, ladies, everything you need, you get it from Guangzhou. Everything you need. And later on we went to kids sites again where they sell shoes. You also have sandals for adults, and you see here they don't sell one piece. They on vend seulement en gros comme on dit souvent. So it's only if you need like I think 50. The minimum order quantity should be 50 or 100, I've forgotten. So if you need the large set, you just come, and the price is really low and you can easily sell them back home. And now you know school is starting very soon. Now they have school bags for school for kids. So yeah, this is the site of bags, and after we went to also the site of bags for adults, for pretty bags for adults. So there was actually everything here. I couldn't take the picture of everything because some refuse that we should take pictures of their shops or videos, but everything you actually need, you can get it from Guangzhou in China. Thank you so much for watching. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Kiss kiss kiss.
See, I might say, baby, hair's like money long, bitch, I've been getting paid. Keep a big bag, never fooled. I mean, yeah, bitch, I'm good in any hood, but it's love in the bag. And my wrist, don't forget, we ain't shining the same. I pull up in the range, and the squad never change. I see, that's a gang. About to get it on the floor, bust it down, make it shake. Long ass nails like some crab legs. Team, I'm supreme, never average. How your waist be disappearing from the side, bitch? Damn, you fine, you a dime, you a savage. That's right. I know that's right. Ain't never motherfucking wrong. Hey, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to?